Hey everybody, Tyson Strachan here with the Hockey Wealth Group on Monday, November the 13th. I want to start off by saying thank you to our veterans, as this last weekend was Veterans Day down in the US and Remembrance Day up in Canada. Last week, relatively quiet week in the markets. Uh, Realistically, not that surprising. Not a bunch of economic news, and obviously the week before we saw a really great week, right? The best week that we've seen so far in 2023. So again, pretty quiet. Still up a little bit through the week. Yields continued to stabilize, which is a good sign. Fed making moves, changes going forward. Definitely going to be data dependent, a term that we've used and heard over and over again. But really, that's what the situation we're getting into now is going to be looking at that data. And speaking of that, expecting probably a little bit more volatility this week in the markets. We're going to see CPI numbers get read tomorrow on Tuesday, and then retail sales numbers coming out on Wednesday. Um, for us, last week I had a great trip into DC. It was fun to go back there. It was first time back to see them play. Uh, Being out of the game, and got to see two former teams play, DC versus Florida. So thanks for all of you. Thanks to the Cavs for the tickets, and nice to see a bunch of you while I was around town. Still working on some those final action items coming out of our reviews. And then I am out in California this week. If anybody's around there, hope to see you. And end of the month, we've got our client appreciation event at the Stingrays game down in South Carolina. If you have a chance, please RSVP to that.